Split squat is really a great way to take your squat to the next level. Really get a great glute workout, really get a great thigh workout here, and really work on your form and kind of stress out the core and force it to work a little bit harder. So I want you to keep your squat form like we've worked on day in, day out since day one, and just grab a resistance band that you have laying around, place that under your feet, and up to you where you want your feet. I usually do about hip width apart. You can go a little bit wider if you'd like, and hold your band to your comfort level. Take a nice inhale and exhale. Um, on that exhale there, that is where you're doing that hard part. So that stand up. So you're going to inhale, lower yourself, exhale, stand up, get a really great glute squeeze here at the top, making sure that your abs are turned on for the duration of this exercise. And again, making sure that your glutes are working. So if you're the type of person with a butt wink, like we talked in our other basic squat exercises, you really want to stop just before that glute sort of wink occurs.